Hey y'all, welcome back. Today we're gonna be doing an unboxing of an air fryer, Ultima. Got it off the Best Buy online, and that's what I got in store for y'all today. A little unboxing video. I got that screwdriver, but I didn't really need it. Not sure. I didn't really look at it first. I assumed it was taped. That's on me, y'all. My bad. But yeah, this is something I bought for myself because I'll be like seeing air fryers everywhere. Everybody talking about an air fryer. So like, I'm gonna bless myself in an air fryer. So so I went unboxing. It was very nicely packaged, I would say. Like very easy to take out. Yeah, I show y'all. What it comes with. It comes with a little instruction booklet and some screws. And that was pretty much what it was. And then, a lot of foam and for protection. I also got the white one because, it looked classy. And I was like, ooh, I want this one. Then, white gets stained a lot, but, I wasn't really thinking much about that. So, yeah, this is me trying to get it out. It was pretty easy, but then getting that lower part out, damn. Like, son, I was struggling. So give me a little foam protection. It was nice, I took it real quick, but it came with a little foam protection. All this paper stuff, I was just ripping through that shit. I was like, rip. Yeah, I just remembered that I didn't turn off the sound. That's why I went back to the camera at that time. Oopsies. But then, trying to give you a better view. Yeah, I really struggled getting this out. I was like, ooh-wee. I was trying to finesse it. But yeah, it was not coming out. I was like, damn, it's just tightly packed. Big ups to them for the protection, but it's definitely like hard to get it out for sure. But you know what it is. Strong man, world's strongest man. I got it out. You know what I'm saying? In like 20-30 seconds. No, I'm fidgeting with it, but yeah. Pretty compact, not a lot to it. I'm giving y'all a little view. I got the white looks so good. There's little things on top giving you like different temperatures for different things. Giving you all the roundabout. It's pretty compact. Not very dangerous. Easy to have at home. Very stylish, you know what I'm saying? And I got the 5-liter one too, so it's a big boy. We try to fry everything in this one, but ease through all my fries and nuggets. That's the majority of what I'm probably gonna fry. It's probably like a bunch of, you already know what it is, I'll be burping. Just a bunch of fries and nuggets, y'all. But yeah, I'm trying to show y'all what the inside looks like. Excuse the area, there's a bunch of just random electronics we don't use. But look at that, it's just easy to open, easy to close. Now I'm trying to show y'all like what it look like. Yeah, just like that, just like magic. But yeah, came with another warning pamphlet, that's what it's called. Another warning pamphlet, but y'all can see the inside. So with air coming in. Yeah, I just used it like last night and it was like, it worked. It does work, y'all. I used it last night, it worked. Delicious. But yeah, it was very easy to use too, and it came with like a little recipe book too, so it was a nice investment. I'm happy I bought it. It took me a while to buy one. I was really waiting and thinking. I don't know what else. I was waiting for sales, but I was really just thinking about, what I should buy and all that. So I'm glad I did it, you know what I'm saying? Now you're watching me clean all this dust, you know what I'm saying? You like that shit. Yes, sir. Watch me clean all that dust. Not even dust, it's packaging, the foam thing. I just watch me just clean all that, because we don't need that. We don't need that stress, sir. Oh yeah, look at me. That's how you get her done. Look at those legs. Thick boy. Yes, sir. We did it. But yeah, this little unboxing for y'all. And there's no space to keep it in my kitchen, so I just put it on the table. I just left it there because look at all that stuff they got up. Yeah. And that's unboxing with me. Right now, it's time to bake bacon with tea. Today we making carrot cake, so you know it's about to be bomb. And this is based on boys and girls and everybody. It's time to bake, and you know how you do. I'm not making it from scratch. I wish I could, but that's not the vibe yet. We're getting there, you know what I'm saying? I'm at amateur level baking, so yeah. I like to stress bake, so whenever I feel a little stressed, it's time to bake something. My sisters always complain like, ain't nobody eating this. And I'm like, hey, I'll eat it. It's like, no you won't. It's like, But yeah, so we got our dry ingredients out the box. And you can see I'm watching little squirrels there, you know what I'm saying? That's my go-to show now. I was watching Parks and Rec, but it was like the last season. I got too emotional. I had to stop. I don't want it to end. You know, one of those. I was like, yeah, I don't want it to end. So I'm just gonna keep, watching. I'm gonna keep watching. I'm gonna watch something else. I started a new show. And yeah, the new show was Scrubs. I was also watching my wife and kids, but like I watched Scrubs before. And maybe it's like that comfort thing that comes with watching a show. But I also don't remember how it ends. I'm gonna be in for like a rocky one. Consciously. But yeah. So that's what show I'm watching now. So Disney Plus really put it on. But I got the eggs in, you know how we do. Watching too much Kelsey videos, I be singing now. Next you know I got that oat milk. Oat milk is really what makes my cakes cake. Like, you know what I mean? Like cake. Oat milk really does it. Like the glue guys, how this is so good. How this is so fluffy. I'm like, it's the oat milk. Oat milk is what it is. Like unsweetened vanilla oat milk. It's really the plug. Like I'm giving y'all the trade secrets right now. But yeah, I got my oil. Put it in. Now I'm about to whisk it off for y'all, you know what I'm saying? Chef Curry. Ooh, that James Harden is, you know what I'm saying? Also, I'm really sad Brooklyn got knocked out. Like, come on, man. I wanted to see KD play more. I missed a whole year of KD not playing. Like, how can they do this to us? For Giannis, like, I like Milwaukee, but like, I want to see more KD. I'm sorry, y'all. I just want to see more KD. He's getting older. You can see this hair is going. He's getting older. He cannot. I mean, KD probably won't play in the league for at least another 10 years. That boy's good. But yeah, my wrist is broken. I was like, oopsies, you know what I'm saying? When you got that muscle gain, you can see ripped. Ripped, Incredible Hulk days, you know what I'm saying? I broke it, so. But yeah, you know, so I'm trying to get the bubbles out. I did an okay job, but probably could have been better. But you're trying to get the bubbles out, you're doing that Chef Curry. You know, that harder with the wrist, you know what I'm saying? That's my wrist game, you know what I mean? You should see me shoot my threes. You know, this is the training. This is, you know, this is training. Like, that's how you get your shots. All the ballers out there, listen, start baking. This is gonna put your ribs on God mode and like kill it outside too, you know, throw a little vanilla extract in there, you know what I'm saying? These are trade secrets. I'm giving y'all the juice, okay? This is the juice. This is how you get that cake poppin'. You know, this is how you make it work. But yeah, I'm out here whisking it up. Doing a good job. I really do like watching myself. It's entertaining. I was like, hey, pass me. I was like, hey, feature me. How's it going? That's pretty crazy. You're about to have a crazy time, sir. Ooh, the things I know. But yeah, about to preheat the oven. I was like, I had to check, because I was like, what is it again? Yeah. Remember making these and yeah, I had to preheat the oven. I decided to make some cupcakes and a cake, because then I realized halfway through, like, I don't have some cake? Here's a cupcake. But like, I don't like cheese. Everyone likes carrot cake with cream cheese icing. I don't like cheese, so like, you won't catch me with no cream cheese icing. Which is, I don't hate on people who like cream cheese or cheese. Like, do you? But it's just not for me. I keep thinking it's great. It's not just for me. I'm just not a cheese man. But look at that. Look at that. Okay, get rid of some bubbles. Had to give y'all the little inside scoop of what's going on in the bowl. Look at where I put the milk. Tell me to put back in the fridge. God damn. But yeah, we got a little inside scoop of what's going on. You can see my pans, got my pans out. I only had 3 of those. I was so sad. I thought I had more, but that's what happens when you don't chill before you store it. And I always forget I want to make cake. I always remember like after, that's when I remember like, oh yeah, I was gonna do this. But yeah, this is always the most difficult part, trying to fill it up. And obviously you can tell I'm making a mess. I can see from here. What are you doing? There's definitely an easy way to do this. I just too lazy to Google it. Shame on me. Just making a mess right now. But it came out pretty good. I mean, you'll see. Like, as much as I make a mess, I make a nice mess. Yeah, I make a nice mess. Like, the cleanup obviously is why a lot of people hate, like, cooking or baking. Cleanup is crazy. I'm not gonna cap. Like, yikes. Cleanup can be son, but I don't mind it, you know. It's a nice way to distract yourself for sure. And I love cake and ice cream. But for mine, I definitely use buttercream. I cinnamon. Yeah, that's why I gained like 10 pounds. Nah, it's never it. It's never, no, it's not the cake. It's the fact that I can exercise as much as I can because of my knee injury. But, you know, yeah, I'm gonna blame the cake. I mean, not exercising or not, you know, going on as many walks as I should. Because I'm trying to lay off the knee. Sad times for my knees. But yeah, so now we pretty much put our cake where it needs to be. You know, give me a little preview. You can see the mess I made. Sorry, moms. But you know, it's looking good. It's looking good. We did it, guys. And I give you a little watching video. Look at, this is how you train. This is training. Inside secrets. Watch me wash dishes. Look at his form. Look at that form. That young man's been through it. You can tell, like, since kindergarten, he's been working on his game. And now he's looking good. Looking sharp. He's on the floor. He's making plays. Look at that. That's not just natural talent. That's not natural talent, kids. That's hard work. That's longevity. That's long hours at the gym. That's long years of washing everybody else's dishes. That's long years of living with roommates and be like, oh, I just have to do this. I just need it to be clean. But yeah, look at the cupcakes. They finished first. Look at that. We did it. Cooking and baking. Well, not cooking and baking, but this is 3 days after, so I forgot to film it. Poda Kelsey, I forgot to film this after. They did viral that. But here you go. That's a little video from me to you. Cooking and baking with T. There's no cooking, it's unboxing. Damn. Unboxing and baking with T. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe for more videos. Bye y'all. Peace and love.